I will be reviewing a Korean beauty product from a brand called Thank You Farmer, and it's a sunscreen. This is a lightweight, broad-spectrum sunscreen and is packed with soothing and hydrating extracts and is fast absorbing. It provides the skin with an SPF of 50 and is supposed to work on all skin types. I fell in love when I first started using this. The texture is so smooth and it applies really well to the skin. I feel that my skin really absorbs the product really well without leaving it with a white cast, and also works really well under my makeup. The formula offers a semi-matte finish that makes the skin glowy but not greasy. In addition to protecting from UVA and UVB rays, this formula protects against photoaging and free of mineral oils, parabens, benzophenone, artificial pigment, and chlorphenzin. I personally really like it, but I've had a look at the ingredient list and it does contain ingredients that I do not like in my sunscreen, and I will highlight that up for you here by showing you the ingredient list. I want to start using safer sunscreens, or as it's commonly called, mineral sunscreens, that contains titanium dioxide or zinc oxide. It's more commonly known as a physical sunscreen. I really like this sunscreen and I'm sad that I won't be repurchasing this in the future. So it also has a strong fragrance and is heavily scented, so for those allergic to perfume products, I wouldn't recommend this. I'll pop another sunscreen here from Thank You Farmer, which is the Shimmer Essence and comes in the pink tube. You can find this brand on Soko Glam, Thank You Farmer website. Here in the UAE, you will find it on Amazon.ae. I will also put a link to Amazon down in the description box. And like I said, you can also find this on powder.ae. This is priced at 110 AED. Hope this review was useful for those looking out for a new sunscreen. And if you stayed till the end, don't forget to give it a like. I'll really appreciate that. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!